Here we have a 2019 BMW M140i Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £2,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but just to name one, we have the media package. We do have the 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills, Maxton design front splitter. Coming around to the passenger side, you found the second alloy wheel just down here, yet again unmarked. We do also have the M Sport suspension. We have the colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top, you found we have the shark fin antennae along with the rear spoiler, and we do have again the Maxton design spoiler extension just there, really nice and aggressive. We do have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. We also have the M140i badging on the tailgate. Now if we open up the boot just like so, you found we have a decent amount of space inside of here. Got the storage net on the right hand side, sorry. We got the parcel shelf up here. We also have handles on each side so we can pull the boot back down with ease. Walking back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now, having a look at the back first, you found the full leather interior. We have the fixed ISO points back here. We do also have the vents down there for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. We also have the same full leather interior for the front, and both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. We've got the automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters on either side. And taking the seat inside, you find the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. You can see we do have the high beam assist just here on the left stalk, and we also have the volume buttons on the right. We have the digital screen in the dashboard, and as you can see we are free from any warning lights other than letting us know about the low fuel. We have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, but we also have plenty of other features. We have the shortcuts down here. Click onto the media, you found we have the radio stations. We do also have the music collection and all these other options just here. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we do also have the front and rear parking sensors if we put the car into reverse. Put it back into park, we do also have the different drive modes as well. So we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus. Also comes up on the dashboard as you flick between each one. We do have the sport displays as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have. And going further down, you found we have the dual zone climate control. We have the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats as well on each side, working as it should do. We do also have the automatic gearbox, different drive modes. We've got the cup holders just inside of here. We've got the shortcut, the gloss black trim down at the centre. We've got the manual handbrake, leather armrest in the centre as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M140i Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now have to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We've got the volume buttons on the right. We also have the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the pedals and it will change gear. We also have the digital screens in the dashboard, which display different bits of information that you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle as well, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn in a moment onto the industrial park where I perform an emergency stop. So if we just start to slow down, put our right indicator on, and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today. Cheers.